Did you know that as we explore the vast expanse of space, we're leaving behind a growing trail of clutter and debris? Welcome to today's episode, where we delve into the intriguing world of space debris and space junk. Space debris, also known as space junk, is a term used to describe the defunct, discarded objects orbiting our planet. These objects range from abandoned satellites and spent rocket stages to smaller fragments resulting from collisions or disintegration. Our story begins with the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, in 1957. This momentous event marked the beginning of human-made objects orbiting Earth. Over the decades, we've sent thousands of satellites into space, expanding our global communication networks, improving weather forecasting, and enhancing navigation systems. But here's the catch. Many of these satellites have outlived their usefulness, becoming space junk as they remain in orbit. Over 3,300 defunct satellites are still up there, circling the Earth at incredible speeds. One of the most significant concerns with space debris is the risk of collisions. With so many objects hurtling through space, the potential for these collisions is growing. At orbital velocities of up to 17,500 miles per hour, 28,000 kilometers per hour, even a small piece of debris can cause severe damage to operational satellites or space stations. Notably, in 2009, an inactive Russian satellite collided with an operational US Iridium communications satellite, resulting in thousands of trackable fragments and countless smaller pieces of debris. So, what are we doing about this issue? Scientists and space agencies worldwide are actively tracking space debris to predict potential collisions. They use radar and telescopes to monitor the positions of these objects and issue warnings to satellite operators. Additionally, there's a plan to actively remove space debris from orbit. Ideas range from deploying nets to capture debris to using lasers to push it into lower orbits, where it would eventually burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. But here's another fascinating fact. Space debris isn't just a problem in Earth's orbit. It extends to the Moon and beyond. Discarded rocket stages and equipment left by previous lunar missions remain on the Moon's surface. Even farther from home, our exploration of other celestial bodies has also created a legacy of space junk. Abandoned spacecraft, defunct lunar landers, and even a golf ball left on the Moon during one Apollo mission serve as testament to our presence beyond Earth. As we look to the future, the challenge of managing space debris becomes even more critical. With plans for lunar bases and missions to Mars, we must ensure that our exploration of the cosmos doesn't leave a lasting impact on the environments we visit. In conclusion, the story of space debris and space junk is a reminder that our actions in space have consequences. While we've made incredible strides in understanding and managing this issue, there's still work to be done to ensure the sustainability of our activities beyond Earth. So, the next time you gaze up at the stars and marvel at our achievements in space, remember that there's more than meets the eye, an invisible world of space debris, a testament to our ongoing journey into the cosmos. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the world of space debris and space junk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the mysteries of our universe. Until next time, keep looking up.